Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to check word count in Google Docs on computer. So how to check word count in Google Docs on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Docs work page. Just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap this Tools menu. Here there are several menu options. Tap the Word Count menu. Now here it appears like this. You can see here starting from the number of pages, characters, the amount of text and so on. The Check Word Count feature in Google Docs is used to count the number of words, characters, and pages in a document. This helps users monitor the length of text efficiently. So that's it, tutorial how to check word count in Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.